to each burn a candle for you, to make bright and clear your path, and to walk like Christ in grace and love and guide you into my arms, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms. But I believe in love, and I know that you do too. And I believe we can choose our path, that we can walk down the end. So keep your candles burning, make a journey bright and pure, that you'll keep returning always and evermore into my arms, oh Lord, 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 into my Thank you, Athens. Thank you, really. Thank you for coming along. It's always a great privilege to play to you guys. It always has been, and always will be. Thank you very much. God bless you all. The band Saints, wherever you are.